In today's data-driven world, speed and efficiency are everything. Businesses no longer have the luxury of waiting hours or even minutes for reports to run or analytics to update. That's where SAP HANA comes in. SAP HANA is a powerful in-memory computing platform designed to process massive amounts of data in real time. It's the backbone for many modern enterprise applications, enabling lightning-fast analytics, advanced data processing, and simplified IT landscapes. Unlike traditional databases that rely on reading and writing to disk, SAP HANA stores data directly in memory, drastically reducing latency. This makes it a game changer for industries that need instant insights, whether it's finance, retail, healthcare, or manufacturing. In this video, we'll cover the key features and benefits of SAP HANA, explain why it's a great choice for businesses in 2025, and wrap it up with how it's shaping the future of enterprise data management. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the in memory data storage. At the core of SAP HANA is its in memory database technology. By keeping all operational and analytical data in RAM instead of on disk, it delivers query responses in seconds, even for complex datasets. This allows businesses to make decisions instantly, run advanced analytics on live transactional data, and respond to market changes without delays. Another key feature is the real-time analytics. So SAP HANA combines OLTP or online transaction processing and OLAP or online analytical processing on a single system, meaning you can run live analytics on current business data without needing a separate data warehouse. You save time, reduce infrastructure complexity, and gain up to the minute insights into your operations. Another key feature is the advanced data processing capabilities. Beyond standard SQL, SAP HANA supports advanced analytics such as predictive modeling, text, and spatial data processing, and integration with AI and machine learning tools. This enables organizations to go beyond basic reporting and dive into intelligent forecasting, sentiment analysis, and geospatial insights all in one platform. Another key feature is the simplified IT architecture. Because SAP HANA handles both transactional and analytical workloads, businesses can consolidate multiple systems into a single platform. This reduces hardware requirements, maintenance costs, and integration headaches. A simpler IT landscape means lower total cost of ownership, faster deployments, and easier scaling as your business grows. Another key feature is the integration with SAP and non-SAP applications. While SAP HANA powers flagship SAP applications like S4 HANA, it also integrates with non-SAP solutions via open standards, APIs, and connectors. You're not locked into a single vendor ecosystem. You can leverage HANA's power across different platforms and tools already in your tech stack. So, why is SAP HANA a great choice? SAP HANA is not just a database, it's a complete data management platform built for the speed and complexity of modern business. In 2025, it remains a leader in real time data processing thanks to continuous enhancements in scalability, cloud deployment options, and AI integration. For organizations looking to modernize, SAP HANA offers both on premises and cloud based versions, giving flexibility for hybrid environments. Its real time processing eliminates the need for batch updates, so teams can work with the most current data possible. Industries like retail can adjust pricing instantly based on demand trends. Banks can detect fraud as transactions happen, and manufacturers can spot production issues before they escalate. With compliance and security built into its architecture, HANA also ensures that sensitive business data is protected while remaining accessible to authorized users. Another major reason it's a great choice is its role as the foundation for SAP's latest ERP suite, which is S4 HANA. Companies adopting S4 HANA gain all the benefits of in memory computing while streamlining business processes across finance, supply chain, HR, and more. So basically, SAP HANA has transformed the way organizations store, process, and analyze data. By combining in memory technology, real time analytics, advanced data processing, and flexible integration, it empowers businesses to operate at the speed of thought. So, if your business relies on timely, accurate decision making, and let's face it, which business doesn't, then SAP HANA is worth serious consideration. It's not just about storing data, it's about unlocking the full potential of your data to drive smarter strategies, faster execution, and better outcomes. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.